And today I am going to be going through my teacher bag and cleaning it all out. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Michelle and I am a kindergarten through 6th grade art teacher. It is currently summer break. I got out last Thursday was my last day. That date, because I don't know when I'm uploading this, was June 7th was my last day, and today I am going to be going through my teacher bag and cleaning it all out. I wish you could have seen it in the beginning of the year because it was beautiful and organized, but you guys know how the year goes, you get busy. I don't think it's actually that bad. I do keep it, or I try to keep it pretty clean, but yeah, we'll see what's in there. I don't know, it might be scary or it might not be too bad, not sure. So first of all, I use the 31 bag. It's one of the utility bags. I forget exactly which utility bag it is. I can link it below though. It's really great. It's sturdy. It holds, like, usually I have my laptop in here and books and things like that, binders. It holds it and has not ripped, like nothing. So, and I have only used it, what, maybe 2 years, a year? No, 2 years. But it's held up for 2 years pretty good. Lots of room. I highly suggest it. Also, if you look, there is a pocket here, a pocket here, 2 pockets on this side, and then 3 big pockets on this side. I usually put a water bottle in one of these, and yeah, or like my coffee mug, something like that. Okay, let's start with the pockets. So I'm going to first go into this pocket, and I have all these lip glosses and chapsticks. So let's see, I have like this is the Michael Kors, like kind of glittery clear not chapstick, the lip gloss. I don't usually wear lip gloss that much, but sometimes I just throw it on really quick. So I have that. Then I have this super hot pink lipstick. I think this was from, oh my gosh, Valentine's Day. I usually only wear red and pink lipstick 2 times of the year to school, and that's Christmas and Valentine's Day. Now I wear it like outside of school all the time, but actually teaching, those are probably the only days that you're gonna see me in hot pink lipstick is Valentine's Day. Okay, and then I have Burt's Bees, just some lip balm. All right, the next pocket, a Post-it, something for photography. I think it was a bunch of different, oh gosh, gross. A bunch of different like sizes of pixels and inches conversion. I don't know, I'm an art teacher, I don't know. All right, pockets over on this side. Hand sanitizer, of course. Airborne, because it saves me during the gross, like, cold flu season. If you don't know what this is, where are you? It's amazing. Get some for next school year. Keep it in your teacher bag. Then I also have, oh, this is the, is it EOS? Like the, I don't know the brand. But they have those like round lip balms, and then they came out with this lotion, and it's really good. This was a gift. I am obsessed with lotion. I hate dry hands, so I have lotion in every single bag, multiples. I have tons of lotion in my classroom, so I'm not surprised that I have lotion in my teacher bag. All right, in the big pocket on the side, I have a protein bar. This one is from Aldi. They're really good. It's the Millville brand, and it's Greek yogurt protein, 10 grams of protein. Okay, and then I have a Flair pen, just black. I don't know why he's all alone, because I usually keep my Flair pens together, but I don't know. Then I have a receipt to goodness knows where. Oh, Panera bread, because there's a Panera at school. That's why. More hand sanitizer, because I'm a teacher. And then in this side pocket, I have one of my chargers. It is an Anchor charger for your phone. It actually does 4 charges, and I love this thing because all of my technology items are always dead, so I try to keep this charged. Okay, now let's start on the big part of this bag. So first I'm just gonna reach in, and I see a water bottle. This is from, I think, the last day of school. We had a barbecue with every single staff member, middle school, high school, 3 elementary schools. It was really fun, and I think this water is from that day. Also from that day is a map of the high school with a bunch of different like professional development sessions that we had to go to. Oh, I found a Starbucks card. Oh my gosh, I found another one. No way. Thank goodness for YouTube, because I probably wouldn't have cleaned this puppy out until August, and I'm cleaning it out now. I found 2 Starbucks cards. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm so stinking happy about that. I have a thank you card from a student and a thank you card from a coworker, and I found a lottery ticket card thing. What are these called? I don't know because I don't buy them, but let's do it. Yep, I need a coin. There's gotta be a coin in here, right? There has to be. There has to be. What about a binder clip? Does that work? That was a total waste of my time. Okay, what I use to scratch on is my big happy planner. I am obsessed with a happy planner. I unfortunately though got into this, like, I don't know, I was sick of writing in every slot because I felt like it was getting messy, so I actually stripped all of those out throughout the year, and I only kept the months, which seems like a waste of money. It is definitely a waste of money, but I don't know, I love happy planners. I'll probably get a new one for next year. I can't get around it. I did get these sheets though. I showed this in a vlog like forever ago, but it's the date sheets for the like just running to-do list. Then you have an hourly schedule, what you're grateful for. I was doing a running to-do list, color-coded for grad school work and personal, and then I was taping note cards to this side because during the like actual school day I don't really run on hours. I mean, I do, but like not here. I use Planbook online for my lessons. On the weekend and stuff, I do usually like break down my day by times. Just keeps me, you know, organized, and I make sure that if I sit down and watch an episode of something, I'm not sitting there forever, or if I open a book, I'm not sitting there forever, because I have like my times laid out for me. It just helps, So anyway, I have the big happy planner because I need lots of space to write. I hate being crammed. It makes me anxious. I don't like it. I have this one. I actually flipped this backwards because I wasn't a fan of this. Like, I loved the watercolor, but I wasn't a fan of like follow your heart quote. I don't know. I liked the watercolor stripes better, so I just flipped it. And I've been wanting to actually make some covers myself. Maybe this summer I can do that. But yeah, my happy planner. I love it. I have a notebook. It's called Lesson and Room Ideas Brain Dump. Found this down in like the supply room, grabbed it, needed something quick. I was getting all of these ideas throughout the year for next year, and I just need a place to, like I said, brain dump. Oh, this is important. Yeah, I need to hold on to this. This is important. In Pennsylvania, there are 2 certificates. I don't know how it works elsewhere, but you get your level 1. And it lasts X amount of years, I think like 6 or something. And then you need to do X, Y, and Z in order to apply for your level 2. Well, it is time for me to apply for my level 2 certificate, which is awesome. That means I am tenure. That means I am almost done grad school. It's a lot of good things. So this is just some information on doing that, so I need to hold on to this stuff. Oh, Panera, this is really cool. Panera sent me a ton of certificates for kids, and then they also gave me a coupon. I have so many left though. I handed out a ton. They gave me like a lot. I didn't count them, but it had to have been, I don't know, more than 20, definitely. Yeah, because I handed out 15 and I still have this whole pile of them. So it's for a free Panera kids meal. I wonder if I can save these for next year. I can't. Offer expires 7/31. Oh, it was really cool that Panera did that though. I was amazed, and I appreciated my free pick 2 meal for lunch one day. So yeah. there is a donut shop called Fractured Prune, and I went in there and I just happened to mention that I was a teacher, and he gave me all these free donut cards. So yep, definitely gonna use that. I have my tripod in here. I also have a Gorilla Pod, but I stopped using that when I got this one. The only thing is I don't like that this is kind of like short, but you press this in and you can move your camera around. It's a nice one. It's I got on Amazon. It's Manfrotto? I don't know. And I haven't vlogged since school, so that's why it is still in my bag. I should probably leave this out because I plan to vlog this week. Alright, now I have bags within bags. Go figure. So I have this green bag. This is what I kept my essential oils. Oh, it smells so good. Essential oils in for on the go. Now that I'm basically home all the time, I set up my essential oils in a different way in my bathroom, but I'm gonna keep this in my teacher bag because like I have some rollers and stuff, just like on the go things, like when I want to take essential oils with me. They're just nice and safe in this bag. This is actually a purse, a crossbody, but it broke, I believe, or the chain broke or something, so now I just use it as a little baggie and it works really well. Another bag within a bag is my pencil bag. I got this guy at Target. I love the gold, and I keep pretty much, you know, like all of my really nice highlighters. I love these highlighters because they're not super dark. They're more pastel-y. It's this, I'm gonna say this wrong. It's the Stabilo Boss Original. I have blue and like a light green, and a purple, and an orange, and a pink, oh, and a yellow. So there you go. Then I have some of my Flair pens. Oh, did I not bring my Flair pens home? Oh man, I left them at school. Okay, I'll have to go grab those because I use them for a lot. And then I just have some random stuff. I don't know, I take this with me to meetings and just everywhere, just so I have like my pens and pencils. But I also, where did I get this? I don't even know, but I just love that. It reminds me of when I was a little kid and they had the water with the glitter and that like little white thing in the tube, and you would move it down and it would go woo, and then move it back. Does anyone remember that, or am I alone? Maybe I'm alone. I definitely remember that though. Now this bag goes with me everywhere. I should probably get a new one. It's getting pretty dingy, but I just swap this in and out of every purse, my teacher bag, you know, whatever. It goes with me everywhere. It has, let's see, just like the essentials, you know. It has lotions and chapsticks and more matte lipstick because I can't have enough neutral matte lipsticks. And it has some Advil, contact solution, a little compact mirror that was a gift, but I need to get a new one because it's shattered. Yeah, just all that like stuff that you want in your purse, you know what I mean? Like I said, the essentials. Okay, then I have a brush and I have, oh, gross. Then I have a charger. I just make sure I always keep a charger with me because, like I have said, my technology things die all the time because I never charge them, or I do charge them. I guess I'm just on them a lot. I don't know. They're always dead, but yeah. So I always keep that in my teacher bag as well. Alright guys, it feels really good to have my teacher bag empty. I can start filling this in for next year, getting it organized, so that's good. Again, this is a 31 bag. I believe it is the utility tote, but utility tote, but I know they have a few of those, so I will be sure to link this bag below. It's perfect for teaching. It really is. I totally suggest it. And you can get different prints. This was just the most like basic. I don't like really loud prints for stuff like this because I don't know, I'm just more of a basic neutral kind of person when it comes to that. Like you would think I would want a really loud print because I'm an art teacher, but yeah, I just don't. I don't know. I just don't. If you're not subscribed, please do so below, and you can also comment and like this video. If you hit that notification bell, you will get notified when I post a video. That way you won't miss any. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I will catch you in my next video. See ya.